Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, in this video I want to give you an update here on Ttoo T2 Biosystems. Very popular, almost I would call it a meme stock, which had here some massive squeezes here in the past years, but now it doesn't look too good, guys. We're coming here back to very low price ranges and losing here a lot of percentage every day. So I give you here an updated based on the chart. This is of course not financial advice. I just show you here what the chart is telling us and try to give you the updated price levels where we have a potential buying liquidity zone waiting for Ttoo. Yeah guys, when we zoom out, we have here the situation that Ttoo is already performing here some stock splits. We already had here in 2022 a stock split of 1-50. Then again here one stock split Friday the 13th, 1-100. And you can see that even we had here two stock splits already. The price is just tanking down. If you don't know what a reverse stock split is, guys, the company tried to, they try to make a synthetic price increasement by reducing the number of shares. So that means when a stock is trading here below $1, which is one of the NASDAQ listing requirements, Ttoo is now trading here at 57 cents. They have to be trading about, or they have to trade above $1 to fulfill the NASDAQ listing requirements. The problem what we have here with Ttoo right now is also that we have just a market capital of $10 million. Sorry guys, that this is also one of the requirements that usually the stock has to have or needs to have $35 million or more in market capital. What does that mean, guys? We have the situation that now we're trading below $1, which is one of the NASDAQ listing requirements, so it's not fulfilled. And we usually need $35 million to $50 million in market capital. This is also not fulfilled. Usually when I see charts like that, doesn't matter what the price action is saying here. When we see something like that, the chart was here quite flat and we had here one volume spike. And since then you can see here the chart volume is increasing, heavily increasing here. This is usually a sign of dilution. So when a company starts to dilute a stock, pump more shares into the market, this is of course not in favor for a short squeeze, and they have to do it to get some fresh capital to survive just here at the NASDAQ, or just of course that the company can survive and get some extra cash for everything what they need to produce and to bring up here into the market. The situation is right now, when I see the volume profile like that, I would suggest that this is dilution. But we also know that we had already here a couple of times this kind of increased volume profile, and then the follow-up reaction was a squeeze, guys. We had here some squeezes, and we know that Ttoo here is able to squeeze here, of course, easy more than 100%. And that's why we dive in here now into the chart, that you can see what are my price levels here for a potential squeeze play on Ttoo. Very important is that we gapped down here, guys. We had one very important price level. You can see my green liquidity zone here. I said in my previous videos, if I expect here a technical reaction, I expect it to happen here between $1.12 and 87 cents. And we have here a very important information, guys, because we can see exactly at my price level at $1, which is a very significant price level, not only here in my chart, also for the NASDAQ listing requirements. We can see that we have here a gap down, guys. The market makers use that, because they know the buying algos are waiting here. They gapped the price down and we never recovered from that. This is the very important information which we have. And I don't know, guys. For me, to be very honest with you, this looks like delusion. It doesn't look for me like just a shakeout by the market makers. It is so violent and there are almost no recovering candles here in between. It looks for me like delusion, guys, but I cannot prove that. I have no information that they're diluting the stock right now. If you have any information, guys, or please do also your own due diligence to prove that. So guys, before we talk here about the landing price levels which could cause a technical reaction, so I give you the price levels to the up and downside, I just want to inform you that my brand new hot stock video is out right now, guys. So I invest a lot of time to research the market for potential short squeeze plays, and I release my finest selection of short squeeze stocks every Sunday. And my brand new video is out right now, guys. I call them the hot stocks, And when I predict, or when I publish those videos, I try to predict short squeezes. Yeah, there is never a guarantee, but usually I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next trading days. Yeah, I just give you a quick recap here. This week we had a squeeze of 113%, which almost looks like nothing. One of my hot stocks here had a 113% run, because when we see the biggest squeezes which I had here in the past 2 months, in October, the biggest squeeze from my hot stocks was 854%. Here, that was my video release on Sunday, and then just 1 day later, this ticker started to rip. Absolute incredible, guys. And in September, it was even more violent. We had here a 1400% hot stock squeeze. Yeah, this of course can happen. There is no guarantee, but I try, as I said, to predict here short squeezes every week and almost every day on my channel. If you want to see those hidden short squeeze plays, guys, you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here. It doesn't matter, guys, if you are a beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome, and we're growing every day, guys. Every day new members joining our team. And if you also want to join in, we have here the info icon in the corner, guys. You can click that info icon button, then you get access to my Patreon member link. So TTO, guys, what is the game plan? Yeah, since there is no technical reaction at all, there is just one price level which I have right now in the chart, guys, and this is 49 cents. This is one of the price levels where maybe a technical reaction appears. The good news is, if we see a technical reaction, we have a quite big range here to see a squeeze. At least, of course, what the market makers or institutions which are behind, in favor for the bulls behind TTO, they of course try to regain $1. I don't know if they can manage that, because the moving averages here, the white and the yellow EMA line, they're coming now very close to $1, and they could act like a resistance. We know that the last kind of squeeze which we had was here in October, guys, 18th of October. Then TTO ripped here 38%, which is good, but we never retested since then the EMA line. So what I expect, yeah, or what could happen, if this is not delusion, of course, yeah, if this is delusion, guys, then of course even 49 cents could break, and then we can see here 15 cents and lower incoming for TTO. So this is very important to work here with a very tight stop loss below 49 cents if you want to risk this trade. This is not a financial advice here. So what is possible is that we retest the EMA lines and close this open gap at $1. So we could expect here a 105% to 117% rip for TTO. This is what I expect if we see a technical reaction here. If the price should gap down again, yeah, that we coming close to 49 cents and then see a gap down overnight and start to trade below 46 cents, I would be very, very careful, guys. We have this trend channel pattern here still for TTO. Yeah, this is the trend channel pattern. I will disable the indicators, guys, and you can see that the bottom of this trend channel is waiting here below 10 cents. That's why for now I don't expect that we reach that here very quick, but there is a potential, guys, that this will happen here, that we come back even below 10 cents. Usually the stocks show a big reaction before 10 cents, as I just said before, if they don't dilute the hell out of the stock. And of course, based on this trend channel pattern, also much higher price levels are possible. Even here price levels, guys, $1.55, $2.27, $2.40 or even higher would be possible in favor for a squeeze. But if, as I said, yeah, sorry for repeating myself so often, but it is so important. But if this is delusion, please make your own due diligence, guys. If this is delusion, then we will not see these kind of squeezes happen. But technically, yeah, everything here between $1 and $2.25 or even $2.40 is technically possible here for TTO, and that would bring here a potential squeeze for the golden pocket retest 200%, and for the maximum price target 380% to 500% would be possible. But be very careful, guys. Work here with a tight stop loss, because that can of course end up here in very, very low price levels for TTO. Yeah, guys, if you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView. You can see here $2.40, $2.38. I think $1.55 is some of the more realistic price levels between $1 and $1.55. So if you want to copy the price levels here, I recommend, guys, to get this chart program, which is called TradingView. I use that for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to learn trading, if you want to understand how the algos work, guys, then TradingView is the way to go. I can offer you a discount link. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but if you use the info icon here in the corner, you get a $15 US dollar discount link, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. My friends, I hope this video on TTO was helpful for you. I thank you so much for your support. If you want to see more, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button. I thank you so much for your time. Wish you a great Sunday and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, einen wunderschönen Sonntag. Danke für den Support und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.